This is my husband Phil Griffin. Together we're Professor Chef, and we teach you how to play with your food. So tonight's demonstration is going to be one of Phil's favorites, butterscotch pudding.
Okay, so in here we have some milk heating up. All right. While that milk is heating up, we're going to take some brown sugar, dark brown sugar that has been packed. That means you push it in, versus most of the time. Some cornstarch.
And a pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt. And we're going to mix this all together with some milk because we want to get it made into a paste, because we need to get the cornstarch in, and we don't want to pour the cornstarch in straight in, because if we pour the cornstarch straight in, it would get really lumpy.
Yeah, it tends to lump, so this is the best way to avoid that. That looks good, actually. That went together pretty smoothly, Phil.
Yeah, I might know what I'm doing sometimes.
Yeah, not all the time.
Right. And now I'm going to take it and put it into the warm milk. Scrape it all out. Don't let any of that goodness go waste.
God forbid, no waste, no waste.
Oh, it smells.
So now we have to cook this out. We're gonna bring it to a boil for 1 solid minute. Do you want me to babysit it, or are you gonna?
I got it. So so you heat it up and you bring it to a boil, almost to a boil, and that gets it nice and thick. After that, you need to set a timer for 1 minute, or approximately 1 minute, because that's what you need to get the cornstarch cooked up. You don't want a starchy taste. What you have to be careful is, if you heat it up too much, or if you don't keep on stirring it, you're going to have something that's going to be burnt or get really lumpy. So that's the hard part about making this, is you can't walk away from it.
Yeah, but it doesn't take long to make it all.
And I have my little toy to tell me what my temperature is. I'm at 160, 170.
Okay.
Not doing too bad.
That's good. This is an infrared thermometer. This is only good for taking surface temperatures.
So you want to come over here now? So you can see right now, I'm going to lower the temperature. It's now boiling. So now I can cook it.
Getting thick?
Yeah, nice and thick.
Oh, that's good. You might know what you're doing.
Might know what I'm doing.
Not every day.
Every once in a while, I'm picking it up off the heat. That's where you hear the bubbling, the beeping.
The beeping. Which absolutely drives me insane.
And the reason why I'm doing that is because I don't want it to burn, and pulling it off the heat helps it from burning.
I think it's for a minute. That looks thick enough.
I got one more. I got 20 seconds left.
Okay.
Roll. You both gently down the street.
Washing
Merrily,
your hands.
merrily, like the buttercream. Roll.
Wash your hands.
Merrily.
All right. Done.
Okay. So now I'm going to have my lovely assistant temper in 2 egg yolks.
So we're gonna
Add one at a time.
Well, I could add one at a time if you had.
One of them broke, okay? We're not making meringue, so we're good to go. We temper it in, so we don't want it to cook and make scrambled eggs. Go ahead, you can pour the rest in.
I wouldn't have done it like that, but that's okay.
All right. That's going to add some nice richness. Put a little bit of color in it. All right. Gonna put a little bit of vanilla in there.
This is
about a half capful.
This is vanilla from Mexico.
Should we put rum in there?
No. You could put Dr. McGillicuddy's butterscotch in it.
No, we don't need to.
No? Okay. And then we add a little bit of butter.
All right. And the butter goes in at the very end.
With no heat. You're not going to be cooking it. That's good.
Right. I need one of those glass bowls, please.
Sorry. Oh, I know.
All right. I need my rubber spatula, please. She always cleans. I had one right there. Thank you. She always taking my stuff.
It smells very good.
I'm gonna taste it.
It was endless.
We did put salt in it, but salt is a good thing because it brings out the flavors.
Yeah, it does.
All right, so we're gonna put it in a glass bowl. We like putting it in a glass bowl because it's gonna help cool it down faster. If you want to cool it down faster, a glass roasting pan would even work better.
You're in Sarah's way.
No, he's good.
He's good?
Yeah.
We can't let any of this go to waste. No. So we're making a half batch because we had made some up ahead of time. Now, what you want to do, besides licking the spatula, is I don't like a crust on my pudding.
And go figure, I love the skin on the pudding. I love it, love it, love it. But he's going to take it away from me right now.
So instead of putting a plastic wrap on top, you dust it with some sugar. Because it's hot, the sugar is going to melt, creates a little liquid barrier, and then when you go to eat it, you just mix it all together.
I know, but you don't get that. I don't like the pudding skin.
I don't like that. Okay. So,
all right. So
we need to make some whipped cream.
Gotta make whipped cream.
So we got a little toy here.
So this is a whipped cream maker from Pampered Chef, and the link to purchase it, if you wish to, is in the discussion part of the event posting on the Professor Chef. So if you go into there.
2. I need a little vanilla. You put that away already.
No, it's right here. You will see the link to purchase this, but you will also see the recipe. That's where we put our recipes every night.
James said nice whipped cream maker.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
So
I wonder where we bought it from, Mr. Nick.
So we had 2 students that have been coming for many, many years, and Jim and Corinne, and Nicolette, and Jim is a Pampered Chef. I think he's like a manager, like a district manager or something now. Anyway, the link will be to now all the way up and all the way down. Come on.
No, I don't have to go all the way up and down, because if I do, I'm going to splash it all over the place. So all we're doing is, this has got 2 little paddles in it, and this is going to turn around and make whipped cream. Now, if you go too far, you make butter.
Well, I don't think you're going to make butter.
Am I doing it right, Jim?
Is he answering?
Not yet.
Not yet. Jim's still hard at work. There we go.
Come on, baby. Come on.
He said you are using it correctly.
All right. I think it's done. I think you can go further if you want, but I don't.
Oh yeah.
No, I think that's a nice consistency.
It's not that bad.
Yep.
It could be a little thicker, but.
So anyway, so that helps. You don't have to pull out any, like the electric mixers. This is great if the electricity is out.
That wasn't that hard to make.
But it's kind of quick and it's fun, and the kids can do it, right?
Yeah, they don't make a mess.
Yes, because it's all contained.
It's all contained. I never make messes, do I?
No.
No, never.
No. All I do is clean up your messes. And yours too, Sarah.
You're so lucky to have me.
I've been cleaning my own messes.
You're getting better. You're getting better. All right. So there we go. Butterscotch pudding with some homemade whipped cream. I think that's everything. Right?
So we got little spoons so we don't eat it as fast.
Tomorrow we are going to be doing...
I gotta taste this.
What? You proud of yourself?
Yeah. Not much of a skin.
I know. Well, oh well. And tomorrow, I can't remember.
Tomorrow
Shrimp scampi.
is shrimp scampi.
Ooh.
It's going to be very, very good. You know why? Because it's Friday. It's going to be a good Friday.
You're funny. You're funny. You're funny. But anyway, no pasta.
No pasta.
No pasta. Just this.
We're just doing the shrimp scampi. Yeah.
So.
If you want to be healthy, you could serve it on top of some lettuce.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Actually, we can do something. We get some mushrooms.
Mm.
Yeah.
We can make that dish.
What dish?
With the escargot.
Shrimp
carbo.
carbo. Yes. We'll do that. We'll do that too.
We can do that too. We'll show you how to make. We can show you how to make a really fancy appetizer and make people think you look like a hero.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. So we'll see you Friday. Remember, if you have any questions or you want to learn how to make something specific in one of these quick demos, just let us know if we can make it happen.
You might want to tune in tomorrow because I already got next week's menu planned, and it's going to be very interesting.
That scares me. All right, say goodbye, Phil.
Adios, amigos.